Well, hello, lovies. How are you? This is Miss Love Song Hearts, BBW. Yes, I'm back for just a little bit before my wedding. On my last video, I said that I would come back because I was having so many problems with foundations. I didn't want like a heavy coverage, but I also didn't want to look like my face was orange. So every time I would go and get a foundation and they would pick it out for me, and I said, please, could you try to match it to my skin? For some reason, it didn't look like it was supposed to, at least to me. So I brought a couple of foundations, and I'm going to show you the ones that I brought and the one that I ended up finally really liking, okay, and which company. Okay, so first I'm going to start off with MAC. Okay, and I brought this one, which is this one is NC45. Now, when I went to the store, they was like, okay, they did something on my face, and I don't know, somehow it looked right. Or maybe I'm just not putting it on right. I'm not sure, but it still looked orange to me. So I tried it a few times, and I don't know, it just didn't give me the look that I wanted. So this was an NC45 from MAC. So then after I tried that one, I went and I did the Visible Lift by L'Oreal, and I got this one from out of one of the drugstores, and this one is in tan. Okay, not bad, but still not giving me that natural look. Now, this one's supposed to be really good. I saw a review on it especially for aging skin, and perhaps I just needed to go back and get another color that maybe would, work for me. So I got kind of discouraged, and I waited a little while. So this is the other one that I got. So then I went back to the drugstore, and I got L'Oreal True Match. Now, this one is in the color Warm. Very close to my skin, okay? I actually like L'Oreal True Match. I think I probably like them out of all the ones that I got. But it still wasn't exactly what I wanted. But I know that I can mix it and, with some other foundations and kind of work it. So, okay. So, being that it didn't give me what I actually wanted, I still kept looking. All right. So, then I went and I brought another MAC in NC44. They said, well, try this one. And I don't know. Here we go. It still had that orange look to it, and I don't know, I just wasn't getting what I needed out of it. Again, like I said, I can probably mix it and come up with something, but being that I don't wear foundations a lot, I try not to every day, because I want my skin to breathe and be as natural as it is. But you have those days where you're taking pictures or you just want some coverage, that you want to wear a foundation because it just looks so nice, but you want it to look close to your skin as possible. So this one was okay. All right, I think maybe like one for the summer and one for the winter, maybe. I just don't like the orangey looks that it gives, and that heavy feel. And every time I go on MAC, some of the ladies look good, and some of the ladies, I'm looking at them like, ugh, they just have on too much. Like, you can see the foundation and makeup is not put on too well. So then I went into the drugstore again, and I got this one, right? But this one ended up being perfect for my daughter because her skin is a little bit lighter and paler than mine. So I kept this one because I said she can use it for like the wedding and stuff like that. So, this was a good foundation, and it's light and airy. I like it, so I'm going to go back and get the right color. You know what the problem is when you go to the drugstores is that they don't have like, they have like the color swatches, but they don't have it to where like you can actually sample, let's say, put it up against your skin and see if it works. But I don't think that works that well. I think you need to be able to have a little sample and that you can really put on your skin. So sometimes you'll go and you do this, you say, okay, it looks good. That's what I did with this one. And of course I put it up on my hand, so yeah, that didn't work. And it still wasn't a match. Maybe a shade darker would be great, but this foundation was actually really good too. So, okay, so I decided, let me take my chance one more time, because I'm spending this money here, trying to find the right foundation, especially for my wedding, okay? So I went back to L'Oreal because I liked it so much, L'Oreal True Match, and I actually got this one in neutral, okay? When you go into the drugstore, they even sell them in the, supermarkets, in the beauty aisle. They have the warm tints, and then they have these other the neutral tints, and then they have, the light tints, and they give you L'Oreal actually gives you a lot of options. So I said, okay, I got home, and I tried it, and it was just perfect. This neutral tint right here, this neutral foundation. So I think out of all of them that I brought, L'Oreal True Match was the winner. And I'm sure that with the MAC, if I because see, these two colors are close together, okay? Just one is neutral, one is warm. So if I went maybe one shade up, it still will be perfect for me in this. Also, I like that it's very light. That's what I like. And it definitely just makes my skin look flawless. So I love L'Oreal True Match. I think MAC foundations are good. I just think you just have to work a little bit or do some mixing to get your color. Some people find their perfect color, but for me, I just had too many problems with it. So I hope you girls are having a wonderful day. And I'm so glad to be back for a little while anyways. If you want to know what I'm wearing, I am wearing one of my wigs. I think you've seen it before. Today is Pink Day, Girl Day for me. I'm hanging out today, and I got on some MAC Archie's Girl Lip Gloss, and I got on my Hello Kitty glasses and my polka dot shirt. I'm thinking I'm something else today. I'm just feeling myself. I am telling you, I am acting up. And yes, of course, Miss Love Song's got to get into some trouble. What? Yes, that is my middle name. So today I'll probably acting up a little bit, okay? But that's just me. I hope you girls are having a wonderful day and you're doing well and you're doing fine. I miss you guys. I'll be back with some more goodies as soon as the wedding is over. And I'll be back with one more video after this one, and I'm going to talk to you about something that's really kind of personal and close to my heart, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.